Hello, in this video we're gonna check if we can install GCam on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So for this we're gonna install an app from the Play Store. Let's go to the Play Store. Now over here we need to search for an app that is called GCam. There we go. Now over here we have this app. Let's install it. And after a couple of seconds we should have it installed on our device, and let's open it. Now over here we don't really need to allow permissions, and as you can see the camera to API module is enabled on your device, which means that we can install the GCam. However, as of the day of recording this video, GCam for this device was actually not found, so there is no tested. The creators of the app didn't test the device yet, and we can send a request, and they will try their best to get the GCam. However, we can also try to get a similar result by using a similar device, by finding a similar device. So you can press over here, and it is now checking the specs, but we don't have any similar device available. So even though the camera to API module is enabled on the device, there is no GCam yet available for this device. Perhaps it will be available in the future, so you can download this app on your own and then see for yourself if it is actually possible for you to install it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.